Hi, my name is Ashley Allen. This is my portfolio page on Weebly. I am a NASA software integrator and planner, and I have enjoyed adding to my portfolio after each of these LTDE courses. Today I will be going over LTDE 5319, which is Technology Tools for Learning. The authentic assessment pieces led to an end online lesson planned, which I learned a lot from. The first template that we started with is Course Outcomes and Topical Online Planning. This assignment allowed me to start the creation of a digital learning environment with best practices of delivering instructional content online. With critical thinking, creativity, I was able to set up the start of my overall individual modules for my online lesson. I personally will use this template in the future to start an outline or draft at the beginning of each lesson design. Next is Reading and Study Resources Planning. With this planning template, I evaluated various learning systems to determine which online resources best met my goals and objectives for my online lesson. Incorporating digital reading and study materials helped me to enhance the learner engagement. At my work, I will make sure to research the best study materials to incorporate into future assignments or lessons. Next, we have the Audio-Visual Resources Planning. For this template, I found it's key to an engaging lesson, and it can help the students retain information learned. This template helped me apply best practices in designing and delivering instructional content in an online lesson, and it helped me develop skills of enhancing collaboration with online resources. This helped my module be more innovative and unique. I plan to reuse this template in future lesson plans. Next is the Authentic Assessment Planning. Authentic assessments take time to design and are crucial to student involvement and success. With this planning template, I explored innovative ideas to help my modules be more meaningful and memorable learning experiences. I enjoy learning and researching innovative ideas that are unique and tie into my lesson goals. I plan to use this template and take time and extra effort in the future to ensure all objectives and instructions are met for assignments, leaving the students with clear instructions. Next, we have peer engagement and collaboration planning. This is an important area while designing an online environment. I applied the best practices I learned this semester, explored innovative strategies via digital tools, researched discussion board suggestions, and made sure to incorporate effective assignments to keep the students participating and engaged. I don't usually use discussion boards in my current job, but it has made me reflect and see how I can best incorporate them at times to enhance communication and collaboration. So all of these 5 templates helped me design my final online course. So this project was time-consuming, yet rewarding. Creating an online lesson allowed me to evaluate various learning management systems, apply best practices in delivering online content, apply innovative ideas through a variety of tools and digital resources, develop creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking, and lastly, create a final course with detailed and effective goals and learning experiences that students will remember forever. I plan to utilize this online lesson in my current job for new hire training. This is all of the authentic assessment pieces for this semester. I will be taking away a great amount of information and knowledge learned to take into my real life job. Thank you for listening.